I'm Chris Whitehurst, and this is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. Each episode, I tackle a different term or a trick to teach and guide you through the journey of real estate. This is episode 58, and we're going to be talking about the team. It's Super Bowl week, and it all comes down to the team that puts together the best plan. These players didn't get there on their own. Even if you aren't a huge sports fan, you can agree it takes teamwork to achieve at that level, and the same can be said of real estate. The attorney who handles the legal aspects, to the lender who handles the financials, our inspectors and vendors who handle repairs. Even the agent who represents the other side is an important part of the team. Everyone has a job to do, and it's important that we put together a team of pros that can keep the many moving parts of a real estate deal moving along on schedule. Everyone must be on the same game plan. A big part of my job as your agent is to coordinate the efforts of this team of experts to make sure we all arrive at the goal of closing the deal. If you like these videos, there's more of them along with a ton of great content on my website at chriswhitehurst.com. You can also check me out on Facebook, YouTube, and other social media sites. Be sure to like and subscribe on each so you can stay plugged in and updated on all things real estate. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.